How to select rows in a data frame between two values in Python Pandas. I am trying to modify a data frame df to only contain rows for which the values in the column closing underscore price are between 99 and 101 and I'm trying to do this with the code below. However, I get the error. Value error. The truth value of a series is ambiguous. Use a.empty, a.ball, a.item, a.any or a.all. And I am wondering if there is a way to do this without using loops.
Consider series.between. You should use to group your Boolean vector to remove ambiguity.
There is a nicer alternative. Use query method. Update, answering the comment, edited to fix minor mistakes. I like the syntax here but fell down when trying to combine with expression. My data is all within 2 standard deviations of the mean, so I'll do one instead to demonstrate. Or or
If one has to call pd.series.between L, R, repeatedly, for different bounds L and R, a lot of work is repeated unnecessarily. In this case, it's beneficial to sort the frame/series once and then use pd.series.searchSorted. I measured a speedup of up to 25x, see below. Benchmark. Measure repeated evaluations, n_reps equals 100, of pd.series.between as well as the method based on pd.series.searchSorted, for different arguments lower and upper. On my MacBook Pro 2015 with Python v3.8.0 and Pandas v1.0.3, the below code results in the following output.
Honestly, isn't it a puppy?